Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 Fastway Shipping extension. Using this extension within your Magento 2 store will allow you to provide Fastway shipping method for shipping the products to your customers domestically within New Zealand, Australia, Ireland and South Africa. And the admin will be able to also manage the shipping and orders, print invoice, enter the tracking ID and complete shipping management from the admin's panel. So let's get ahead and let's see what different admin configuration settings are there after you have successfully installed this extension. And after that we will be going ahead and we'll be showing you how the buyer can make a purchase at the front end, and after that we'll show you how the admin can manage the order under his own account panel. So let's get ahead and let's get to the admin backend panel so that we can check the various configuration settings for this Magento 2 Fastway shipping extension. Now after the admin has logged into his admin backend panel, the admin needs to navigate to the configuration settings for this shipping method. So the admin will navigate to Stores, Configuration. Under Configuration, navigate to Sales, Shipping Methods, and under the Shipping Methods, navigate to Webcool Fastway Shipping option that you can see here. So let's get ahead and let's see what different options are here that need to be configured so as to make use of this extension at the front end. So the very first option that we have is enabled for checkout. Here you can select yes to enable this method for the checkout, else select no to disable this extension for the checkout. Sandbox mode, you can select yes to make use of the sandbox or the testing mode, else you can select no to use the production or live mode. After that you will enter the title. This is the title for the shipping method that is going to be displayed on the checkout page. After that you need to enter your API key for the Fastway shipping. So the admin will enter his Fastway shipping account API key within this box. Weight unit, you need to select the weight unit as pounds or kilograms as required. Then default origin country, select the default origin country of your store. Default regional franchisee, select the default regional franchisee for the Fastway shipping. Ship to applicable countries, you can select to ship to all allowed countries, else you can select specific countries by multi-selecting as per your requirement. And you can set the error message as well. For the show method, if not applicable, you can select yes to show the method, else you can select no to not show the method if it's not applicable. You can also set the debug mode as yes or no. You can select no to not store the debug log information, else you can select yes to store the debug log at the appropriate place. So this was all about the main configuration of the Webcool Fastway shipping extension in the admin backend. So the admin just needs to save the configuration here, and the extension is good to go on the front end as well. So let's get ahead and let's see how the customer can place an order using the Webcool's Fastway shipping extension, and after that we'll show you how the admin can manage the order under his own account panel. Now on the front end, the customers need to just add the product within their cart. So I've already added the product into the cart, and I'll be showing you how the customer would be able to make use of the Fastway shipping method so as to get his products delivered at his delivery address. So you can see that I've already set the default address here for Australia right now. So let's get ahead and let's see how the customer will make the checkout. So I'll just click the proceed to checkout button here, and Alright, so I'm on the checkout page right now, and here you can see that my shipping address is already been selected. That's for Australia. And after that, you can see there are two methods that have been displayed under the web cool Fastway shipping. One is the Sasha, one for $12.99, and one is for $26.25. So now the customer can select any of these shipping methods for getting the products delivered at their destination. So I'll just select the Fastway shipping method here under the shipping methods, and after that I'll be clicking the next button to proceed further. And here I just need to click the place order to place the order for the product. And here under the order summary, you can also see that under the shipping you can see the selected shipping method. So that was web cool Fastway shipping, and the shipping method name is also visible there. And here you can see the ship to details and the shipping method name. So the customer just needs to click the place order button to complete the order. And you're done placing the order for the product. So you can also click here to continue for the shopping, or you can click here directly to check the order details for the order that you've just placed. So here the customer can go to his My Orders section under his account panel, and he can check the product that he has purchased, and he can even check the shipping method name there. So this was about how the customer has placed the order, and how he can complete the order by selecting the shipping method under the shipping method section. And so that was all about the Magento 2 Fastway shipping extension. And now after the buyer has placed his order, the admin can log into his account panel, and can navigate to sales and orders. And under this section, the admin would be able to check the order that was placed by the customer, and can also process the order as per need. So here you can see that the customer that placed the order is visible here. We had placed the order for $48.99 in total. And now clicking the web link that is here will bring up another page with the complete information regarding the order. So let's click here on the web link. Now clicking the web link earlier brings up this section, and here the admin would be able to generate the invoice, shipments. He can also reorder the placed order, and can send the email to customer, and can even cancel the order as per the need. The admin can also find the shipping method chosen by the customer, and by navigating here under the payment and shipping methods, here you can see the web cool Fastway shipping has been displayed, and the selected shipping method name is also visible with the amount for the shipping. Now after viewing this order, the admin would be able to create the invoice for the order by clicking the invoice button here, and the invoice would be containing all the shipping information and the cost of shipping for this particular order. So here you can see that the new invoice can be easily generated by the admin, and the shipping information is visible here, and you can also see the items to invoice here. The items are being displayed there, and clicking the submit invoice button will generate the invoice for this order. So the invoice has been created. Similarly, the admin can click on the ship button so as to create the shipments for this order, and thereby completing the order. And clicking that shipment button would bring up the new shipment section, wherein the admin would be able to check the shipping information, and can see the selected shipping method with the ship method type, and the total shipping charges are also visible. And under here the admin can create the shipping label and can submit the shipments as well. So that was all about the Magento 2 Fastway shipping extension, and we showed you how the admin can configure the extension and the customer purchasing a product, and after that we showed you how the admin can manage the order from the admin backend panel. So if you have any queries or doubts relating to this extension, you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may also raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.